Hey everyone, this is your trainer Venkataditya back again. Today we are going to cover Java full stack in the age of AI. Firstly, let me ask you one question. Are you scared that AI is going to steal your coding job? Yeah, I thought so. Because everyone is asking this question right now. And here's the thing. Most people have it completely backwards. Today, in next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why Java full stack development is not only surviving the AI era, but also it is thriving in it. And if you're thinking about your career path right now, this video could change your direction entirely. Moving on to the next section, the AI paradox. Here is what people think is happening right now. Number one, AI will replace coders. Number two, no code tools make devs obsolete. Number three, ChatGPT writes better code than me. And I get it. These fears are real. I felt them too. But here's what the data actually says. And this is what separates the people who win in the AI era from those who don't. AI amplifies skill developers by 10 times what it means. So it improves your productivity and quality for a skill developer 10 times. Not replaces, let me repeat again, amplifies. Think about this way, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, all of these are AI tools. They need servers to run on. They need APIs to communicate through, and they need databases as well to store the data. They need backends to process millions of requests. And guess what powers all of that? It's Java. So let me say this clearly. Java full stack developers are not the victims of the AI world, they are the architects of it. Now, why Java still dominates? Now, let me hit you with some numbers because I know some of you are thinking, but isn't it Java old? Isn't it dying? Dead? Java? Let me show you that what dead looks like. 3 billion devices run Java right now. Today, as we speak, Java is the number one language in the enterprise backend systems globally. That means all the enterprise apps are built, especially the healthcare and the banking apps are built using Java. 90% of the Fortune 500 companies run their core systems and applications on Java. That means majority of the Fortune 500 companies are using Java as their language or the programming language. And let me tell you one more thing. The Java full stack developers in the US earn an average of $120,000 per year, right? 120,000. Does that sound like a dying language to you? Here is the truth. Java isn't not legacy. Java is the foundation the world's digital economy runs on. Every bank transaction, every airline booking system, every e-commerce backend, every hospital management system, every healthcare uses Java as a backend. It has been here for 30 years and is not going anywhere. The Java full stack with the combination of AI becomes a superpower. Okay, now here is where it gets really exciting because it's not just about Java surviving AI, it's about Java integrating with AI. Let me walk you through the modern full stack that's dominating industry right now. At the bottom, you have your cloud and DevOps layer, that is AWS, Google Cloud, Docker, and Kubernetes. This is where your application live and scale. On top of that, we have the data layer that includes MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Redis, and increasingly vector databases for AI-powered search and retrieval. This is very interesting. So nowadays, very large systems are using vector databases for AI-powered search and retrieval of the data. And here is the layer that changes everything, the AI layer. Tools like LangChain 4j, the OpenAI API, the Hugging Face models, all of these can now be embedded directly into your Java applications. Yeah, you heard that right. You can build a Java Spring Boot app that talks to GPT-4 as part of its core logic. On top of that, your backend Spring Boot, Spring AI are built on top of it. Building REST APIs, microservices, handling authentication and authorization, processing data. And at the very top, you have your front end that is React, Angular, or Vue.js. With this AI powered UI components and GitHub Copilot accelerating your development, this is the complete Java full stack AI developer stack. And when you master this, you don't just use AI tools, you build them. Alright, so how we get there? Let me give you a crystal clear roadmap of how it goes with respect to the Java full stack and AI in the next video. Thank you.